Hello everyone. If you have run out of new movies to watch during an evening in lockdown, there is an easy solution. Simply look back at the last decade in movies and pluck out any gems that you may have missed. Yes, you probably won't agree entirely with the results, but at the very least, we have tried our best to pick the best from the infinite pool. So, without further ado, let's get into the top 10 movies of the last decade. Number 10. Inside Llewyn Davis. A folk singer struggles to maintain his artistic independence against the commercial needs of the music industry. Llewyn Davis is a man who won't deign to connect with others but is also incapable of functioning as a solo act, either musically or in life. Every department has contributed with all their heart. The screenplay, costumes and cinematography are very well done, making it easy for you to get transported to the early 60s. The film is generously laced with dark humor and the soundtrack of the film is too wonderful. Number 9. Lady Bird. A teenage girl undergoes the trials of love, family and self-discovery as she dreams of escaping to college on the East Coast. Lady Bird is a rare movie that manages to be affectionate, entertaining, hilarious, witty and confident. The film's emotional center is the relationship between mother and daughter. It is also about how impossible it is for teenagers to imagine the emotional life of parents. It is a great coming-of-age film with mature themes that you don't want to miss. Number 8. Birdman. Regan Thompson, a fading cinema superhero star, plans to resurrect his career with a passionate Broadway production. However, during rehearsals, his co-star is injured, forcing him to hire a new actor. The first thing you applaud about Birdman is Keaton's audacity in accepting the role of neurotic Tinseltown veteran Regan Thompson. The camera work in Birdman is astonishment. The very real achievement of Birdman, a dark comedy of desperation bundled with artistic optimism, is how it makes you laugh out loud. Birdman is a complete blast from start to finish. Number 7. 12 Years a Slave. In the years before the Civil War, a free African American is promised a job. However, after arriving in Washington, he realizes that he has been sold into slavery. 12 Years a Slave is based on an incredible true story of one man's fight for survival and freedom. Facing cruelty as well as unexpected kindnesses, Solomon struggles not only to stay alive but to retain his dignity. 12 Years a Slave is not the first movie about slavery in the United States, but it may be the one that finally struck you so hard with the right amount of emotions. Number 6. Whiplash. A promising young drummer enrolls at the Cutthroat Music Conservatory, where his dreams of greatness are mentored by an instructor who will stop at nothing to realize a student's potential. Whiplash is more than a young drummer trying to master the art of jazz drumming. Whiplash is a battle to the death. Whiplash is both a refreshing and respectful tribute to the beauty that is jazz music and a very compelling look at the horror that is a mentor-mentee relationship, and the two lead actors will blow you away. Number 5. Moonlight. A young African American man grapples with his identity and sexuality while experiencing the everyday struggles of childhood, adolescence and adulthood. The film is divided into 3 parts. Sharon as a child, a teenager and an adult explores the contemporary African American life from a deeply personal point of view. The performances of the lead actors engage us with such determination that one's attention never wavers. It is excruciatingly difficult to find flaws in this one. That's how good it is. Go watch Moonlight at the first chance you get. It is an experience you will cherish for some time to come. Number 4. Mad Max Fury Road. In a post-apocalyptic wasteland, a woman rebels against a tyrannical ruler in search for her homeland with the aid of a group of female prisoners, a psychotic worshipper, and a drifter named Max. George Miller's 4th in the Mad Max series comes across as one of the best action movies of all time. Tom Hardy replaces Mel Gibson as the enigmatic Max. The insane chase across an endless desert represents the epitome of action cinema. With lots of thrills and top-notch action sequences, Mad Max Fury Road never fails to disappoint. Number 3. The Social Network. Mark Zuckerberg creates a social networking site, Facebook, with his friend Eduardo's help. Though it turns out to be a successful venture, he severs ties with several people along the way. With the social network, Fincher was presented with one of the most difficult problems he has ever had to solve. How do you pull great cinema from a story about some Harvard nerds sitting at their computers and screwing each other over? The high point of the social network is its super screenplay, where every dialogue becomes a quotable note. The exchange between the lead characters is witty and vibrant. The Social Network is for people who like smart, entertaining, thoughtful, and emotionally satisfying films. Number 2. Her. An introverted writer buys an artificial intelligence system to help him write. However, when he finds out about the AI's ability to learn and adapt, he falls in love with it. Director Spike Jonze manages to mesmerize us with a story that explores the complicated interplay between a human being and a computer operating system, while also revealing the universal challenges to intimate relationships of the heart. Her actually works as a romantic movie and also as a meditation of our lives chained to the digital world that we live in. Before we get onto the number one movie in our list, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you for your support. Number 1. Inception. Cobb, played by DiCaprio, steals information from his targets by entering their dreams. Saito offers to wipe clean Cobb's criminal history as payment for performing an inception on his sick competitor's son. It is said that Christopher Nolan spent 10 years writing his screenplay for Inception. If you thought Memento teased your mind, try Inception then. It will leave you tortured, tormented, and wonder with its mind play. And if you think you can actually unravel this mind boggler in one go, it's nearly impossible. Inception is not only one of the most original films in the last decade, it is absolutely riveting stuff. That's it from us today. We will meet you in another video with another interesting topic.